If you are a business owner or a coach na merong website or landing page pero hindi nakakakuha ng sales or inquiries, this one is for you. Hi, I'm Mika. I'm a funnel and web designer, and I help creatives, coaches, and service providers create two powerful tools for their businesses. One is a website that positions you as a go-to expert, and funnels that guides ready-to-buy clients to say yes. Kung walang bumibili or nag inquire sa service mo through your website or your sales page, here are 3 things you should do to boost your conversions. Number 1, meron bang clear na call to action yung website mo? Kagaya nito. Huwag mong pahirapan yung audience mo. You should tell them exactly what to do. Kailangan obvious at paulit-ulit throughout the page yung call to action mo. For example, message now, book a call, download the free guide. Number 2, meron ka bang social proof? Ano-ano ba yung mga social proof na pwede mong ilagay? Yun yung mga testimonials, gaya nito. Client logos or minsan makakakita ka ng as seen on. Tapos yung mga logo ng mga kung saan mo siya nakita or before and after photos o kaya awards. Kahit simpleng feedback lang na screenshot would be very helpful. Last is meron ka bang clear na offer and benefits? Naiintindihan ba ng visitor mo kung anong makukuha nila from your service or your product? You should tell them exactly through your website or your sales page kung ano yung binibenta mo or anong problem yung sinosolve mo for them, para kanino at ano yung result na kaya mong i-provide. Huwag puro we are committed to excellence vibes. Dapat ipakita mo ano bang mapapala nila dito. Ayusin mo tong tatlong to and I promise, mas malaki yung chance na makakuha ka ng clients from your website or your sales page.